Welcome back to my channel. So of course you guys know that I moved and I do have a beauty room now, so I figured what I'd do is give you a quick little sneak peek on what I've been doing to it. I still need to get like a lot more things to it, get like curtains and fix the closet, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how it is right now and take you along the steps of me changing it and making it all my own. I feel like that will be so much more interesting, just seeing the whole process coming together. So if you guys are interested in seeing this sneak peek of my beauty room, I am in love with it, let me just say. If you're interested in seeing this, then definitely keep on watching. All right, so you're probably gonna be hearing football in the background, and then also this room echoes because there's not a lot in it, but I figured I'd start off by showing you guys all around, so I'm just gonna start here and go all the way around the room. So for starters, these are my one big closet. It connects behind this wall, but basically it's two different doors. What I plan on doing is adding glass sliding doors or mirror sliding doors to it, so that way it will just give off the illusion of an even larger room. I also think that, you know, mirrors are nice, so that's what I plan on doing with that. I have some more shelf units I have to put up. I still have them on my desk over here, but I plan on putting up like more pictures of things that I, have. When it comes to over here, this is by the closet. I have these two bins right here. One of them is holding all of my hair supplies, and then the other one holds my camera as well as, just random stuff that I have. And so that's over here. And then I also purchased this. I got it from Walmart, and I want to say it was the same as my desk. And what I decided to do was just decorate each of them so that it kind of looks great for the background. Over here, I have this mirror, and this mirror was $39. I got this from Walmart too. I got this from Walmart. I got it in the store. It was $39. It's a full-length mirror, which is really amazing, something I've always wanted. Usually these will go about $65 on like TJ Maxx or anywhere else like that. I went to Home Goods and this was around $80. The only problem with this is you cannot buy it online at Walmart. You have to buy it in the store, and it's kind of like a seasonal thing. They usually have it in like a wood shade, and I only see it towards the fall, like, when people are going back to school and things like that. This is where I edit videos, but then I plan on changing it for now. I don't plan on keeping that desk, but this is what it is for now, because that empty wall that I have right here, I plan on using as like a pull-out couch there, and I want it to be white with silver pillows, but that's what I plan on doing. So when the couch comes, that will move, and I'll add another desk to over here. So this is my makeup area. I purchased this from Michael's for $60. If I had used my teacher discount, I could have gotten it a lot cheaper, and I plan on getting another one, so I will be doing it then. This I got from Walmart, and of course I'll put the link below to both of these. That's Bailey down below. I don't know if she's ever been on a video before. And the rest of the stuff you've already seen in my old video. Those boxes are going to be gone soon. They will, when I get those storage bins, I plan on putting and organizing all of my units, putting them away inside of the closet. But yeah, that's basically it. I also plan on putting a little chandelier at the top, and I also want to get like a big rug of the soft stuff that you see right here. I don't know the name of it, but that's what I want in the area, the center of the room. I do also have a ring light that I didn't show you guys just because it's been going around the room with me while I'm filming. But that I keep right next to my mirror, just because it works out better that way with recording and not having to put it up and take it down. Okay, guys, so that's basically it. I do need to get a few more things, of course, but this is step one. I just wanted to show you what I've done to it, and of course, I will, make sure to update you guys along the way. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll make sure to link everything that I did talk about in this video down below. Thanks guys again so much for watching, and of course, I will see you in my next video. Bye!